loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a what I eat in a day video. As you can tell by the title, I want to say a couple little things real quick. First, I apologize about the lighting because the lighting in the kitchen is not that good. Two, today I'm going to be filming 3 meals. I was going to include a snack, but time didn't permit. Yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Okay everyone, let's do this thing. So for the morning, I usually start my day off with a green juice, and today I included 1 cucumber, some kale, 2 apples, and 1 lemon. I'm just chopping up the cucumber right here. So along with the green juice, I drink a cup of hot water with apple cider vinegar and a half a lemon. This drink has a lot of benefits, but for me, it helps with the acidity because I have acid reflux. But it's also a really great drink to have in your morning. So once your hot water is done heating up, you can add in your half a lemon and your apple cider vinegar. I think I did half a teaspoon. So yeah, you're gonna see me drinking this at the end of this clip, and girl, it burns when it goes down, but it really helps when it hits your stomach. To the green juice. For this clip, I am using my Hamilton juicer I got from Walmart, and it's linked on my website, so I'll put the link to the link in the down bar. So like I said, I'm just now I'm juicing the cucumber, the apple, and the kale. And I've noticed when you juice a kale or any leafy greens, it doesn't come out a lot. So what I do is I put the kale in, and then I put an apple or a pear, whatever's heavier, to help push it through the juicer. And voila, you got your green juice, you guys. It's ready. It's ready to be consumed. It's so good. Watch it. It looks like, wow, it's beautiful. Green, good for you, so good for you. Drink up. Let's take the first sip. It's so good, y'all. I mean, like heaven. This is, I don't know what I'm gonna call it. Maybe like Green Goddess. Even though my name is taken, I think already. I'll think of another one. But I'm gonna leave the recipe for this green juice in the description bar below or on my website. I'll let you guys know. So next meal is dinner. So let's do that one. Alright, correction. This is not dinner, this is lunch. Today I'm making bean burgers with black beans, mushrooms, and sweet potatoes. And the clips are kind of choppy because your girl wasn't ready. She was just on the fly. So now we're pouring in black beans. For the next clip, you'll see when I add everything in. So just hold tight, you guys. It's going to come together. Don't worry. Okay, there we go. We have the sweet potato, we have the onion, we have the bean, mushrooms, and beans. I've added in some cumin, garlic, and chipotle seasoning. Let me let you guys know, the burger was bomb. Just watch. I'm gonna smash it here, but then I'm gonna form a set patty in the next clip. Okay. Then I'm done smashing. You want the consistency to look like meat or turkey meat, whatever you guys eat. I have used almond flour instead of breadcrumbs because we don't want to consume so much wheat. And for these patties, instead of putting them on the stove, I put them in the oven. I think next time I'll do something a little different. They didn't come out as formed as I would like them to, but no matter what, y'all loves, they were still delicious. I'll put the recipe down in the down bar, description bar, wherever you want to call it, so you guys can get this recipe because it's delicious. So whilst the burgers are in the oven, I'm gonna make a sauce to go on top of the burgers, and I'm gonna make a tahini, lemon, and maple syrup sauce. I just realized watching this back that I really like lemon. It's because it's extremely alkalining when you ingest it. So yeah, this is gonna be me making the sauce. You know, I'm whipping it up in the kitchen, you know. It's how your girl do. Actually, I added some little bit of water because tahini's very thick. That's why you see me stirring vigorously, because it's it kind of reminds me of hummus or mayo. It's great. It's a great substitute for those dairy products, in my opinion. Alright, now it's time to put that tahini sauce you worked so hard to make onto your burger. Okay, once you put the tahini sauce onto your liking, add tomato. I added avocados, and I'm about to eat my nice lunch, you guys. I'm gonna enjoy this. Okay, for this next round of meals, we are making Chinese food, sweet and sour chickpeas with broccoli, and we have some peppers there. I sauteed some peppers, broccoli, chickpeas, and I added the sauce on top of everything. Then I want to plate it. I made some quinoa, so you just plate your Chinese food, and boom, girl, that's it. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. You've just been wonderful. I really hope you enjoyed this, what I eat in the day, on an average day. Yeah, that is it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Love ya. Peace.